It's time for todaysstocks.com with host Pat Bolland.
Joining me now is Brett Richards. He's the CEO of Goldshore Resources. Brett, great to see you in the end of 2022. What did you get done this year?
Yeah, Pat, thanks for having me on. Yeah, as you know, we acquired the Moss Lake project from Wesdome Gold Mines back in 2021, and it came with a 4 million ounce historic resource. So we quickly went to work on doing a geophysical survey over the land. And in 2022, we actually drilled 75,000 meters on the property, which led us to a mineral resource update on November the 15th. And that mineral resource update was 4 million ounces, 4.17 million ounces at 1.1 grams. But the real story of Goldshore is this high-grade shear domain we've identified within the global resource. And we have 2.2 million ounces at 2 grams, which is one of the highest grade open pit development projects in Canada today.
Okay, so then 2023, what are you going to do with that resource?
Well, we're going to take that resource and we're going to build upon it. And there's 3 or 4 main catalysts aside from all the drilling results we're going to have come out in 2023. But we're going to do a mineral resource estimate at the end of Q1. That will take us, we're hoping for around 6 million ounces, again, demonstrating a path to 10 million ounces. But we hope it takes us to 6 million ounces with about closer to 3 million ounces of this high grade. At that point in time, we're going to do a preliminary economic analysis. And that is where I think we're going to really see the economics really pop and shine for Goldshore. We'll do an end of year MRE to wrap things up, and we'll prepare for a pre-feasibility study in 2024.
Okay, I guess we should go back to fundamentals. Why do you think, Brett, that people should invest in gold?
If you look at the macro right now, the geopolitical environment is starting to stabilize between Russia and Ukraine. Most recently, we still have an inflationary environment, and we still have reasonable interest rates, and all of these things balancing, bode well for a strong gold price. I think what we're going to see leading into the primaries and into the presidential election in 2024 in the U.S. is going to be a QE in order to avoid a recession. And that QE is, again, going to help the gold price solidify between $1,800 and $2,200 for the foreseeable future.
I think I know the answer, but why should people invest in Goldshore Resources?
Well, for a number of reasons. We are, we're starting at a low base. Certainly, there's a lot of room for upside in the base that we have right now. But the work that we're going to do and the path we're going to lead to 10 million ounces, and also demonstrating a small, lower size, higher grade project as a starter project will deliver tremendous results to our share price in 2023. And that is leverage, and leverage to our peers and leverage to our other gold equities is what people want in this environment. So you got a good solid gold price. The fundamentals are there for a strong run in precious metals for some time. And you've got a play in Goldshore Resources, which is leverage to all of that.
Brett, I look forward to 2023 and 24 for that matter as well. Thanks so much.
Pat, thanks for having me on. Look forward to it again.
My pleasure. And of course, I've been talking to Brett Richards, CEO of Goldshore Resources. If you like what you saw, well, like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much.